This is the weather forecast video for Thursday, April the 12th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, the storm is coming across the Rockies and into the high plains where some showers and thunderstorms were during the evening hours, and this will be progressing toward us and staying around for a few days. The watch warning map, however, continues to show from around midnight last night the freeze and frost advisories from Minnesota and Iowa eastward across the Ohio, Tennessee Valley and the southern Great Lakes, while to the west some winter storm issues over the Sierra. The QPF chart precipitation through Monday evening at 7 o'clock shows some decent amounts of precipitation around here, anywhere from about a half to 3/4 of an inch upwards of maybe 2 inches along the Iowa-Missouri border. So let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. A dip in the flow over the west with a ridge over us, and even though there's a ridge over us, it's not a very warm ridge, and it's ahead of this storm system that'll be moving into the western counties of the state during the afternoon and evening with some showers and an isolated storm. The entire state gets in on it on Friday with some shower and thunderstorm activity, mainly in the afternoon and possibly even in the morning. It won't be an all-day rain with highs in the 60s. This continues into Saturday. Yet again, it will not be an all-day rain, scattered about in the morning and then again in the afternoon. Temperatures a lot warmer in the 60s to near 70. By Sunday, we have the next system that's coming right behind this first one. This one's going to have a little more vigor to the first one, and there could be some showers and thunderstorms with this as well, with the low near Goodland, Kansas. But we have to look at that high pressure north of us to see if it's going to suppress any of the precipitation. By Saturday, the low has moved to about Ottumwa. Some pretty heavy thunderstorms could be across the lower Mississippi Valley from about Cape Girardeau down to Houston around here. Just some light showers coming to an end here on Tuesday. So this is a little bit quicker than yesterday, which had it until Wednesday. So we could see some decrease in cloudiness by Tuesday afternoon and evening. On Wednesday it looks partly sunny. There could be an isolated shower. The model wants to bring in some over western Iowa. We're not too sure about that. From a week from today, pretty zonal though. A week from today, a few little dips in here and there, but nothing of real consequence. And when you have a zonal flow, you have quick moving storms. And here comes another one with a bit of precipitation from our north in over Minnesota, the Dakotas, westward into Montana and Wyoming. A few days later, on the 22nd, still looks like a zonal flow, a ridge over the south from about New Mexico to Florida, and that's keeping the jet stream around here and keeping the storm systems quickly moving. The model wants to put one in here on the 22nd, crossing the country at that time, so this will be the following weekend. And on the 25th, or 26th rather, a trough axis off to our west, as it's not zonal anymore, as there's a dip in the jet stream just to our west. And with the dip, there's a storm system, and this could be quite vigorous if this is right, although it is 2 weeks out. And this could bring some interesting weather. And at the end of the forecast the next day, the 27th, the storm begins to pull out and it gets sharply colder behind it. We see highs back into the 50s and maybe some frosty conditions again in the morning. We'll see. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Friday the 13th.